So hello everyone, in this video I am going to share my price action based trading strategy that I have been used in my swing trading. So in this strategy we are not going to use any indicator, so no indicator in this strategy. And second is this strategy is very simple and easy to execute at live market. And third is it takes very less screen time and it is very suitable for student, office goer, swing trader who have very less screen time. Suppose we have stock like Tata Motors, and so Tata Motors stock behave like this, okay, then going again up and then down, then up, okay. So in this stock we have to put simple trend line from first point to last point, okay, here like this, and also down at first point to this point. Okay, this is a very simple channel pattern that looks like. So now we have to talk about where to enter. So if this stock price will break out from this channel pattern at here, okay, so we have to enter at here. So if you miss this opportunity at here, don't worry, many stock will 80 to 90% stock will retest this channel pattern again. So we have to enter at here at, okay, retest here. So in this strategy 2 to 3 times we have to opportunity to enter in this trade. So this stock will break out will here and our target will 1 gem 3 from this point to this point, and our stop loss is below this low level. It is our stop loss. Okay, this is up channel pattern and that is down channel pattern. So now we are going to trade this in live market. So now we are applying this swing trading strategy in practical way. So we are taking example of Tata Investment. So in this stock the down channel pattern is formed as we are drawing it here. So as I am told, from first point to last point and then this type. Okay, this is the simple channel pattern that formed in Tata Investment at June 2022. Okay, so we are now going forward. Okay, as you see this channel has been following it here. So at this point at 30 August 2022 this channel has been broken. Okay, so we are going to enter at this point. Okay, I am mark up. So at this particular candle that I have mark up, this candle we are going to enter, and our stop loss is very simple around here. Okay, I am also marking up this with, okay, this red line is our stop loss and we have entered here. So and our target as per our stop loss, so our stop loss is around 9% and our target is 1 gem 3 means 27% at here. So as you see this has been giving us 1 gem 3 risk reward ratio at this point, and this stock has also given us 1 gem 6 risk reward ratio as you see. This is the very simple trade and this particular stock has given us very good return out of this simple channel pattern. So this is the first example. Okay, we will see next example. And the next stock is Ace Action Contract. So this particular stock has I have given in my Instagram update. So as you seen, this stock has first down, then again up, then also down from this particular level. Okay, so at this point this stock has forming channel pattern like this. My simple trading plan is we have to enter at the breakout point from which point the stock has broken this particular channel pattern. Let's see where the stock has broke. So as of now this stock has not broken it. As you see, this channel pattern has taken resistance from this level. Okay, and it is breakout. So as I told earlier, this we are going to enter at this breakout point at here. Okay, so if you miss this chance to enter in this stock, don't worry, this stock has given another opportunity at breakout, then retest, then again up move. So our first entry is this and second is at retest level. Okay, so this is the two particular entry that stock has given us. Okay, and our stop loss is below this level. So this red line is our stop loss and our risk reward is, so if we enter it here, our risk is around 12%. So our target is, as per 1 gem 3, 35-36%. okay, here. So let's see what happen next. So as you see, this stock has given 1 gem 2 and then again downfall and currently consolidating in this zone. So let's see. So as you see, this is the particular point that our target is being reached. So this is the another example of swing trading setup that I have been discussed in my earlier videos and till now. So this is the another stock that I have been said in my update. So that stock is ICICI Bank. So as you see, this stock has first going down, then up, then down. Means this stock has forming down channel pattern. So we are forming channel pattern at here. Okay, this is the level that this stock has forming channel pattern, and our simple trading strategy is at which point this stock has been breakout from this channel pattern, we are going to enter at breakout, at otherwise at retest. Okay, so let's see where to enter. This stock has been breakout at this level and date is 22 July 2022. Okay, let's see what happen in next. So if we enter it here, so our stop loss is below this low level. Okay, I can mark this low level at this. Okay, and our target is as per 1 gem 3. So if we enter it here, our stop loss is around 7% and our target as per 1 gem 3, 21% at here. Okay, so this is the very simple channel pattern. So let's see what happen next. So as you see, this channel has been breakout and our trade is running in profit as of now. So our target is here. Let's see, is it reach or our stop loss will hit. As you see, this stock has given already around 1 gem 2.5 around and then again down. So we don't have to panic at here. We are very simple strategy. Enter at here and our stop loss level is this. Okay, let's see. So as of now, this trade has been running and our target is at 970 level, and I am sure that it will reach our target. So this is the another example of stock that has name is here Astral. I already said this stock in my update. So this stock, as you see, this stock has formed channel pattern as of now from first point to last point at here. Okay, so this is the very simple channel pattern. Let's see when to enter and when to exit. So as of now it has not broken. Okay, at this point I will mark up. At this point this channel has been broken in Eisai Limited. So this is the point that we are going to enter. If we are miss it, then again as you see it, this candle has been retest from its breakout level. So this is the another second entry. Okay, let's see. And in this stock our stop loss is from this point to low level at this point around 10%. Okay, here this red line is our stop loss and our target is, as per 1 gem 3, 30% here. Okay, as of now it has been our profit. Let's see, will it reach our target or break our stop loss. So as you see this stock has been reached to our target and then down. So this stock has very simple and it has given us 1 gem 3 risk reward ratio, as you see. So let's see the another example of stop loss hit. So this is the EIH Hotel Limited, as you see here, and that stock has forming up channel. So we can draw up channel at from this point to this point. Get here. So our simple strategy is, when it will break our channel pattern, we are going to enter. So let's see where to break. Okay, as of now it has been trading in this channel pattern. Let's see if it break, then we will enter. Okay, as you see at this point and also this point, this channel has been breakout from our channel pattern. So our simple strategy is to enter at here or at retest at here. Okay, and our stop loss has around this level. So let's see. As you see this stock has been breakout at very good volume and very big candle. Let's see if it hit our target or stop loss. Okay, as of now it has retesting this channel pattern 1 and 2 time here and again 3 time here. And okay, our stop loss has been hit at this level, and this is the example of our stop loss hit. But this is the very recent example of our trade that I have been shared with you in my YouTube channel also. Let's see the another example of our stop loss hit. So this is the particular stock that name has Galaxy Surfactant, and this stock has forming, as you see this stock has forming down channel pattern, and we can now draw down channel pattern from this point to this point. Okay, this is the very simple channel pattern that as you see. So we are simple planning is at which point this particular channel pattern has break, our entry is triggered. Okay, let's see. As of now it has been consolidated in this channel pattern. Okay, this is the point where our entry has triggered at this point. Okay, so at this point, this area we are going to enter in the trade, and our stop loss has, our last level is this, means means around 8%. Okay, at here. So I can mark up this with red line, and our target is around 24% as per 1 gem 3. Okay, hit here. So let's see. Okay, that stock has been favored in our target zone, and we are at profit in this stock. Okay, let's see. Okay, this stock has given us 1 gem 1 risk reward ratio as of now, and then downfall. Okay, let's see. Okay, at this point our stop loss has been hit. So this is the very recent example of our swing trade that I am also sharing with you in my YouTube video. So this is the stop loss hitted in Galaxy Surfactant. So as I have been said the profitable trade and also our losing trade with you in this video. So this is the very simplest trading strategy that I have been used since. So if you have any question and any doubt regarding this particular pattern and trading system, then you can comment me in this video. So we will meet in next video. Thank you very much.